today? I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry for not being consistent. It's because of this area that I'm staying. It is always too noisy. So today we will be talking about how you price your bill, how you price the pieces of your bill. When you open a bill, you know how much you are going to sell each item in the bill. If this is what you're looking for, stay back and watch this video till the end. Hello angels, if you are seeing this face for the first time, I remain Vivian. That's my name, a thrift seller based in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. So let's talk about it. A woman met me here in the market and she told me that her husband bought 2 bales for her with 1 million naira, and she became confused. She doesn't know how to go about it. So she met me and she was like, how much is she going to sell the pieces when she opens it? And I gave her this guideline that I'm going to share with you people in this video. This is what I told her. First, you need to calculate the cost of your bill. How much did you buy that bill? Let's say you bought it 600,000 naira. How much did it take you to transport it to where you are selling? Let's say the total cost of transportation is 10,000 naira. You add it. Then there is what we call miscellaneous expenses. You are going to use nylon to sell. If your customer is thirsty, you provide water and the rest. The other small expenses, you calculate them also. Let's say your miscellaneous expenses is 5,000 naira for one bill. So you add 15,000 naira to that 600,000 naira, making it 600 and the 15,000 naira. That is the total cost of your bill. Okay, the second thing you need to do is this. You divide it, this total cost, you divide it with 80. Some used to divide by 100, but most times I divide by 80 pieces. So when you divide it by 80 pieces, the amount it gives you is the least amount you will sell any item you find inside that bill. I mean the quality items you find inside your bill. Of course, let's say a bale of gown. A bale of gown has like 300 pieces inside, okay? It has like 300 pieces depending on the kind of bale you're carrying. We have 55 kg and we have 100 kg. Let me show you. Don't pause. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is a 100 kg bale. Are we together? Then there is small bale. Show them this. Don't be offended. Okay, show them this. This is a small bale, a 55 kg UK bale. The sizes are not the same. This is 100 kg while this is 55 kg. So it depends on the bale you are opening, okay? But I used to divide by 80 pieces. When you divide it by 80 pieces, the amount you get is what you will sell least the first day you are opening it. That is the least amount you will sell any item you are selling that day. All right, then the third thing you need to do is to sell like a pro. Even if you are a newbie, you don't show your customers that you are new in this. So if you do that, they will use you and play. All right, so you have to sell like a pro. You smile, because some customers are funny. They will price you an imaginable price, as in a price you will never imagine that somebody can price. They will pick the best and price you like 500, 1,000 naira. Don't quarrel them. Smile, then sell. You know the minimum you will sell. Keep selling, and when you finish selling that particular bill, you will notice that the profit you will make will be massive. Okay, so in this video, that's all I want to share with you people. Have you liked this video? Have you? If you have not, do something. Share this video to people that would like it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.